Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways.
The crypto space has made considerable progress from being restricted to just crude digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The space has been sufficiently liberal to have plenty of ventures from fluctuated areas with and without utility. Progressively, image coins from the business have accumulated the interests of the majority. The top image coin Dogecoin is the first to woof with regards to image coins. Sent off in the December of 2013, the advanced token has earned monstrous prevalence. With enjoying from famous people, tycoon financial backers, and virtual entertainment savvies, the K9 coin has seen various receptions and acknowledgments by famous brands and firms. All things considered, financial backers are as yet excited about Doge and have been contemplating over its future possibilities. Is it safe to say that you are enthused about the value expectations of Dogecoin? Participate as we plunge into the conceivable value projections of the image coin for 2022 and the years to come. Doge price prediction for 2022. Dogecoin had advanced toward 2022, with an exchanging cost of $0.1701. Proceeding with its toward the south force from the earlier year. The image coin saw a tumble to its help of $0.1365 on the 10th of January. Be that as it may, it depicted a fast angular bounce back, with the wick brushing $0.2147 on the 14th of January. The spike was brief, as Doge dove underneath its help to the lower part of $0.1208 on January 22. Following this the resource moved sideways, adhering nearer to its help levels until the 3rd of February. At the point when it spiked to $0.1732 on the 7th of February. Notwithstanding, disturbance in the business prompted a downswing, when it penetrated the quarterly low of $0.107. Toward the finish of the quarter, Doge's cost had figured out how to move to $0.1459. The subsequent quarter has been severe for the business, the ramifications of which have considered the cost of Doge. The K9 coin has slipped from its second quarter's high of $0.179 to squeeze-time levels of $0.08707. Dogecoin price prediction for Q3. On the off chance that the image coin conveys forward the second from last quarter, with bullish patterns, further catalyst like significant acknowledgement and reception, could impel the cost to its expected high of $0.11105. On a hopeful note, as per Into the Block, 2.04 M locations are in the money, while 1.84 M locations are out of the cash. While the typical cost could stay close by $0.09381, bears could grip down the cost to $0.08196. Doge price prediction for Q4. In the event that the coin gets recorded on more up-to-date recognizable digital money trades, the cost could take off to close the year at $0.1364. Howbeit, standard trading tensions would leave the cost at a typical degree of $0.11373. All things considered, assuming the feelings succumb to the bears, with worries around utility and worth, the cost might conceivably rut to $0.099998. Dogecoin's price forecast for 2023. Dogecoin cost is supposed to build up forward momentum in 2023, as the image space would turn into brokers number one to battle potential expansion dangers. The chance is additionally legitimate, as the normal time token is held, is a shocking 1.8 years. Subsequently, toward the finish of 2023, the image coin would hit $0.2329. All things considered, a potential emergency in the business could dump the cost to $0.1249. Progressively, the typical cost could settle at $0.1725. Doge crypto price prediction for 2024. If the group behind Dogecoin roll out formative redesigns and genuine use cases, the K9 coin could charge facing industry pioneers. In such a case, Doge's cost could jump to its expected high of $0.3645. On the other side, the ebbing position of image coins and decreasing volumes could cut the value down to $0.1948. All things considered, an equilibrium in trading tensions could land the cost at $0.2734. Dogecoin price prediction for 2025. A rising FOMO with powerhouse advancements towards Dogecoin might influence the cost to warm up to $0.5686. Furthermore, in the event that Doge could make do with a significant development rate, in an exceptionally serious space from now on, the midpoints will strike at $0.4157. Then again, if parts of the crypto like zero marking rewards and not much usefulness influence the market, then, at that point, the cost could slide to its likely low at around $0.3013. What is Dogecoin, Doge? Dogecoin is an easy-to-use cryptographic money project sent off on December 6, 2013. It was forked from Litecoin and is broadly upheld by numerous wallets and trades. The primary use case is for making installments, and as of late it has likewise been utilized as a tipping coin, for remunerating little tokens to individuals during virtual entertainment connections. Dogecoins are inflationary coins while Bitcoins are deflationary coins. This is on the grounds that Bitcoins have a breaking point on the quantity of coins that will be delivered and utilized for mining. On the other side, Dogecoin has no such cut-off points as is inflationary, which adds for its potential benefit. Major analysis. Following the enormous progress of Bitcoin, Dogecoin was sent off in December of 2013. In a simple 1 month, there were north of 1 million guests to the authority site. What began with a cost of $0.006, and presently represents a ROI of 15,235.76%. Dogecoin was made by Billy Marcus Oregon, and Jackson Palmer. It was presented as a joke, yet who realized it would turn out to be so huge in the crypto world. It is likewise utilized by retailers to get installments across approved vendors. Our Doge price prediction. The way that marketers are very hopeful about the venture and VIP's jumping legs can drive Dogecoin into a worth that everybody would wonder at. Figured out Dogecoin cost expectation for 2022. On the off chance that its exchanging volume rises further, we can anticipate that the Doge cost should flood to 13 cents as the year closes. Then again, on the off chance that the market is struck again by outer powers like guidelines or negative explanations by forces to be reckoned with, the image coin could exchange at an expected low of 10 cents. All things considered, an equilibrium in trading tensions could land the cost at $0.114. 2018, Dogecoin cost declined in the mid